In this video, I will show you how to manage orders in Hostinger Website Builder. I'm now in my store management area in Hostinger Website Builder, and to manage my orders, click on orders from this left side menu. As you can see, these are all of my orders on this store. You can see the date of the order, the customer email, the order total price, the payment status, and also the fulfillment status. You can filter your orders with the fulfillment status. As you can see, fulfilled, unfulfilled, partially fulfilled, or cancelled. For the partially fulfilled, it means that the order has multiple products and one of them is fulfilled. This is why it's called partially fulfilled. You can also filter these orders by their payment status, from paid to not paid to refunded and so on. To manage an order, just click on it. First, you can cancel the order from here. You can see the order details and also the customer information. You can mark it as fulfilled. You can select, you can go without a tracking number or with a tracking number. Just fill it here. You can also add a tracking page URL. This is good, and mark it as fulfilled. Let's go without tracking. As you can see, a shipping confirmation email will be sent to your customer email address. You can edit your tracking code. You can also view your invoice, and this is your invoice. You can download it, print it, or send it to your customer. This is the invoice preview email. Let's close this preview. Hit close. You can also cancel the fulfillment. It's possible. After marking this order as unfulfilled, now I get the option of marking it as paid. Let's mark it as paid. Now I have my paid status, and let's mark it as fulfilled. Now let's go back to the orders list. And this is how to manage your store orders in Hostinger Website Builder.